Hello, incredible audience. Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to discovering revolutionary solutions that can elevate your well-being. Today's video is a true game changer, especially if you've crossed the 50 milestone and are seeking ways to fortify your balance and ward off those unexpected stumbles. I'm beyond excited to present to you Neuro-Balance Therapy, a holistic approach that not only strengthens your body but also introduces a unique therapy tool to make the journey enjoyable. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be convinced that this is precisely what you've been searching for. Let's be honest, as the years advance, maintaining balance becomes a formidable challenge. The fear of sudden falls can be paralyzing, casting a shadow over our independence and overall quality of life. But fear not, because Neuro-Balance Therapy is here to confront this head-on. It's time to seize control and live life to its fullest. So, what exactly is this miraculous Neuro-Balance Therapy? It's a distinctive fusion of tailored physical exercises crafted for individuals over 50. But here's the kicker: we've also introduced an innovative therapy tool that elevates your balance training to unprecedented heights. This tool is a game changer, and we'll delve into it in just a moment. Now, let's explore the heart of the matter: the Neuro-Balance Therapy protocol. It's not just about physical strength, it's about neuroplasticity, enhancing the intricate connection between your brain and body. These exercises are straightforward, impactful, and can be seamlessly incorporated into your home routine. From gentle stretches to targeted movements, we've got it all covered. And remember, consistency is the key. Allow me to introduce you to the secret weapon, the Neuro-Balance Therapy tool. Crafted to add an extra layer of challenge to your exercises, this tool transforms your balance training into a captivating and fulfilling experience. It's not just about the physical aspect. It's about igniting your mind and body simultaneously. Trust me, you've never encountered anything quite like this before. Now, here's the thrilling part. If you're ready to take charge of your balance and overall well-being, click the link in the description below. We've teamed up with Neuro-Balance Therapy to bring an exclusive deal just for you, our cherished viewers. Don't let this opportunity slip by to metamorphose your life. A heartfelt thank you for joining me today. Remember, age is merely a number, and with Neuro-Balance Therapy, you can age with strength, confidence, and resilience. Embrace the journey, invest in your well-being, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay balanced and stay awesome.